it's Gina with WTI. And if you get stressed out at the thought of juggling multiple suitcases at the airport or other times when you're traveling, then you have to check out these connecting suitcases that I got from Tach. At first I was skeptical. I mean, would these really be any different than using other suitcases? And from the very first moment that we linked them all together using these patented super strong Velcro flaps, I knew these were a game changer. They move as one unit, and it makes it so easy to navigate through busy, crowded areas. You can connect up to 9 suitcases together. I got 3 in sky blue. These range from 20 inches up to 28 inches. What we also found to be extremely convenient after linking them all together is that you can raise the handles and then place other bags in between them. So in all, we could move like 5 or 6 pieces all at the same time. Now you can use the handle to do that, or it also comes with a pull strap, and that's a really nice option too. We filled these to capacity, and even though they were completely full and up to their limit, they were easy to move around, and that's thanks to these spinner wheels too. You can move them in all different directions. They're very smooth, and it just was amazing how simple it was to move these around as one unit. These are hard shell, and they weathered going through baggage claim just fine. We also liked the cool added bonus of having this little drink strap on the side so that you can attach a bottle and then not have to worry about having your hands holding that too. Tach Luggage has completely lowered my anxiety when it comes to thinking about traveling. You are going to absolutely love it as much as we do, and that's our point of view.